You sit down at your desk, it's 8 a.m., and your inbox is already overflowing. Invoices need processing, client emails demand replies, and weekly reports await drafting. The manual, repetitive tasks stack up before your actual work even begins. Meanwhile, you hear about people using artificial intelligence to clear their desks by noon. A gap is widening between everyday workers and those with technical job titles leveraging these tools to speed up their days. This creates a frustrating paradox. You desperately want to save time, but the steep learning curve of setting up AI systems feels like a massive time drain on a schedule that has zero slack. But ignoring the technology does not preserve your time. In an environment where competitors are rapidly automating their workflows, sticking strictly to manual processes guarantees burnout. So you decide to give it a try. You log into a generative AI platform, and there it is, a blank, blinking cursor, waiting for your input. On the right, the proper generative AI approach synthesizes multiple data points into custom outputs. But treating AI like a linear search engine produces generic, unhelpful responses. This poor output reinforces the false belief that AI cannot handle complex tasks. Overcoming that blinking cursor requires an on-ramp. It means identifying the specific daily friction points you hate and pairing them with the exact AI engine built to solve them. You do not need to learn how to write code. You need to practice strategic delegation, matching your exact problem with the tool designed to fix it. The big four AI engines are built on distinct frameworks, each optimized for a specific category of labor. First, there is Gemini by Google, which operates as the ecosystem king. Because of its deep integration directly into Google Workspace, it allows a user to ingest, organize, and analyze massive amounts of raw data across sheets and docs instantly. If your bottleneck involves heavy reading and drafting rather than spreadsheets, you turn to Claude by Anthropic, the analytical stylist. This animated diagram shows Claude's specific capability. A massive, multi-page PDF document is absorbed into a central node, which then parses that dense information into 3 precise, highlighted insights. It delivers nuanced, human-like writing based directly on the documents you provide. By routing data-heavy calculations to Gemini and dense reading tasks to Claude, hours of manual review compress into minutes of final oversight. But what if your focus involves ingrained corporate workflows and complex strategy? You look to the other half of the Big Four. Microsoft's Copilot operates as the productivity workhorse for the enterprise space. It accelerates corporate routines through deep integration with the Microsoft 365 ecosystem, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, backed by enterprise-grade web research to build out presentations and reports within the software you already use. Finally, for high-level business strategy, there is ChatGPT by OpenAI, acting as your versatile partner. This logic tree diagram shows ChatGPT's strength in advanced reasoning. A single human input triggers an autonomous agent node. From there, the AI independently routes specific tasks to research, drafting, and scheduling branches without needing you to click another button. Aligning enterprise tools with your specific scale of problems transforms the software into an independent teammate that executes tasks without constant manual oversight. Now, managing 4 major AI platforms simultaneously sounds like a recipe for cognitive overload. The critical rule of AI consultancy is simple. Most individuals and small business owners do not need all 4 of these tools. Selecting just 2 of the Big Four engines provides enough versatility to cover both data analysis and creative writing, while keeping your daily workflow manageable. This pairing ensures you have specialized help for every task, without the technical friction of managing 4 separate accounts. Applying this artificial constraint prevents tool fatigue. It ensures you actually master the specific engines you choose, rather than remaining a frustrated novice at all of them. This time-lapse video shows the ultimate goal. Watch as a chaotic desk environment rapidly organizes itself into a clean, minimalist workspace, the manual paperwork dissolving away as the right tasks are matched to the right engines. This is the result of transitioning from actively struggling with AI to passively having AI work for you in the background. Achieving this automation requires strict adherence to security and safety best practices. Your personal and business data must remain protected, private and fully yours. When you apply those protections and build out your ecosystem, you stop drifting in a sea of tech jargon. You start producing predictable, designed results. By building a clear bridge to the AI OnRamp, you no longer have to choose between keeping up and burning out. You shift your daily focus from manual task management to final decision-making.